Are analysts any good at forecasting prices? Well, let's have a look at this. It's very easy to judge. At the moment, they think Alphabet, on average, your typical analyst thinks it's going to fall 7.37% based on the average analyst forecast. So historically, has that been right? When they've thought very low rises in the future, has the price gone on to produce low returns? And when they've thought very high projections, has the price gone on to meet those? Okay, you might want to pause this video. You might have a hedge fund strategy all of a sudden if you're right that when it's like this, you sell down here, and when it's like this up here, maybe anything above a 40% projection, you buy. What do you think? What does it look like to you? Well, I'll tell you what it looks like to me. No, doesn't really work. Might be something you should look at in the whole, but in and of itself, no, leave it out. If you'd like more insights on what hedge funds really do from a hedge fund manager, subscribe for more.